Good morning. Welcome back to the All Seasons channel. Today we are working on a water heater that is working on propane but does not work on electric. So I'm going to take you along. I've actually already diagnosed it, but I'm going to take you along for and show you how I diagnosed it, and then we'll show you the repair. All right, let's go. All right, here's the back side of a Attwood water heater. If this were suburban, most of this stuff will be on the outside, but there's our heating element. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see. Attwood uses a relay in this box here to actually, that's relays just like a switch, and it you get your switch up here that cuts the electric side of the water heater on and off, but then it goes through this relay to actually cut the power on. And funny enough, we got power. I don't know whether you're going to be able to see this. I thought we had a bad relay. Try to do this with one hand here. There's our power coming into the relay. Got 125 volts. And then on this wire here, we should have power coming out. Cameron, go cut that switch on, please. So this is our power coming out of the relay. So Cameron just cut the switch on. Okay. See, we have power there. Here's this little short wire that's like 3 inches long that goes to the heating element, and it got no power. So we got a bad wire here. That's pretty crazy. I mean, that wire's 3 inches long, and it's bad in there somewhere. So yeah, I'm going to make up a new wire, and still haven't tested the heating element, make sure it's good, but I bet it is. So, alright, I'm going to make a piece of wire, and then we'll go from there. Alright, made a new wire. It looked just like the old wire. Still hard to believe that wire was bad. Go ahead and cut that switch on out, camera. Okay, heard the relay click. Now we got power going through the wire. So that's crazy. We'll hook her back up and see what happens. Alright, camera, cut the switch off. See, the power goes off. Awesome. Okay. Set you guys up on the commode here. I'm probably going to be right on the way. Y'all probably won't be able to see nothing, but I try. That's all I can do is try. I have no idea what was wrong with that piece of wire. To be honest with you, you ohm it out, and it was it showed continuity, but it would not carry current. So it must just be partially broke. Broke enough to where it just won't carry current. Simple as that. I've seen that happen. I've seen that sort of thing happen on some channels that I watch on YouTube. They're automobile mechanics, and they'll have a wire that just won't carry current. And really, I had one myself right there. Don't know if I ever ran across that before. A wire that showed continuity but wouldn't carry current. One heating element wire. 2 heating element wires. I'm using a 90-degree screwdriver. Handy dandy little item there. Be really hard to get in there and do anything without that 90-degree screwdriver on that heating element. Alrighty. This relay that we thought was bad just slides under a couple tabs inside this black plastic case. Alright, camera, go cut that switch on. Should hear that thing sizzling. I hope. Oh, let's see if we have power going across the element. If we have power going across the element from one terminal on the element. Oh, I can hear it sizzling. Listen. When it sizzles, it means it's heating. So this repair's done. So I'm gonna button this up. Alright folks, there you have it. It's all buttoned up. Should make hot water with electric now. So that's what the customer wanted. All I got left to do is put a couple access panels back on. Show you what they. Two screws in each one, and we're out of here. Stay there. Alright, well there you have it. That is diagnosing and repairing your Attwood water heater. That's Cameron, the cameraman. He didn't get to do much today, but it's a small hole back here to work. Just not room for me, much less for me and Cameron, the cameraman. But thanks for watching. If you get any value out of my videos at all, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment. Thanks for watching, and we're going to go to the next one, and so we'll see you down the road.